In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
If you're trying to choose between Airtable and Excel for business data management, here's my experience after using both for about 6 months. Both tools are powerful, but they solve different problems. Excel is the classic choice for working with data. I like how flexible it is for calculations, financial models, analysis, and handling large amounts of numbers. With formulas, pivot tables, and advanced functions, you can build almost anything if you know how to use it. It's also familiar to most teams, which makes adoption very easy. The downside is that collaboration and data organization can become messy. Large spreadsheets are harder to maintain, and keeping everything updated across a team can be challenging. Airtable feels like a modern database built for teams. I really like how easy it is to organize information, create different views, automate tasks, and connect related data. It's great for managing projects, customer information, content calendars, and business workflows without needing advanced technical skills. The drawback is that Airtable isn't as powerful as Excel for complex calculations and deep data analysis. For heavy number crunching, Excel still has the advantage. One thing I'd pay attention to is your workflow. If your business relies on calculations, reporting, and financial analysis, Excel is probably the better option. But if you need structured data, team collaboration, and automated workflows, Airtable can save a lot of time. For me, Excel wins for analysis and flexibility, while Airtable wins for organization and workflow management. The best choice depends on whether you need a powerful spreadsheet or a smarter database system for your business.